Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post an ad on Facebook using Adcreative.ai. Okay, there's a link in the description you can go ahead and use to sign up. It'll give you 40% off, free trial, 7 days. Okay, so what you want to do first is create a brand. So click on brands, and then I already have a brand created, but I will show you how to do this step by step. It's really easy. Click on create a brand. And I can either import from your website, basically all your details, or you can do this manually. I'll just use this website link URL, right? Paste it right here, click on import brand, and let's watch Adcreative.ai pick all the details up. As you can see, it picks up the name, here, Clip Magic, a very accurate description. Okay, save and continue. Now, we need to select the brand logo. It didn't quite pick up the brand logo, which is fine. I'll just go ahead and paste it right here. Go ahead and upload that. Confirm this logo looks perfect. All right. And now it's picked up the brand colors, right? Based on the logo. Okay, click on save and continue right here. And now under advanced setup, what you can do is connect meta ads. Okay, basically for Facebook and Instagram ads. So just go ahead and click on add account connect with the plus icon, and you basically have to log in right here and authorize to your Facebook account. Okay, do that and go ahead and create your brand. What that basically does, it will pick up all of the analytics and help you create a better campaigns. You can go ahead and do that, but for now let me show you how to create these Facebook posts. Right, you can create ad videos depending on your product, right? You can create ad text, social creatives. I'll do this one. I think this will go really well with the kind of tool we're promoting. So I'll do social creatives right here. And you can pick your post size depending on the social media. So we're going to do story size. This works for both Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so let me click on this. Now let's move on to the next step. Now right here, we need a main headline, a punchline, call to action, things like that. You can manually type this in. They give you 40 characters, or you can click on generate text and let the AI do everything for you. And it has picked all of this up on its own using its AI tool, which honestly is very accurate. And I'll stick with the professional tone. You can, of course, change your language. And this is the product description. It has a nice, call to action as well, a nice target audience. So we'll click on save and generate. And now, once we're done with this, it is generating this. Okay. Now we need to basically add a background image, right? So click on next step. You can either choose a background image from your library, or you can search for images in their database. So they also have some AI recommendations here. What I'll just do is type in video editing because we're saving our creators time in terms of video editing. So I'll pick this and let's go ahead and choose something with a very messy timeline. But since a Facebook post, I'll pick this one here. It is in portrait mode. So I'm going to select this picture and I will go ahead and click on generate. You can add a project name if you want. It's not necessary. It's optional entirely. And now the AI is going to go ahead and generate the posts for you. All right, as you can see right here, it has generated over 150 different iterations of ads. Now you can go ahead and pick on any ad right here. You can edit them, right? Or just download it. They also have a conversion score that shows you how likely a ad copy is likely to convert. So choose whichever you like and then just go ahead and download this. For example, this one, I'll just click on a download right here and it should start downloading this automatically. So I should see it right here that it's going to start to download. You can also come and look at others you can download as well. Of course, you can go and check the link in the description, guys. Get that free trial. And let me open this up properly in images to show you. And you can scroll down again. It's really endless, okay? All right, let's see. Really, really good quality. As you can see, you can change the coloring if you want it to be more vibrant. Maybe you think it's not that visible. you can go ahead and just click on edit this post and edit. Really easy and simple. Then just go ahead and post it on Facebook. And once you have a connection with the Meta ads, you'll be able to use this tool even better. Once it picks up all the analytics, it will do a better job with the next ad. Really that easy and simple. Go check out the link in the description.